Yeah, here we have a Jet 14-inch vertical bandsaw. It has a variable speed pulley drive. And we're going to fire it up for you just to show you that it does operate. Now this is damaged up here, so the door won't close properly. So we had to open up the door just to show you. This is supposed to be a variable speed pulley. Appears to be working. That was the high speed. Now we're going to put it down to lower speed. I think we can change the pulleys inside here. There's a little damage to the trunnion here, so this piece, or parts of this piece, may have to be replaced and properly adjusted. As I said, the little bit of damage right here from shipping. Need some adjustments here on this plate here. I'm going to show you in here. Now the feet down here, for the level adjustment, they're bent up, so they're going to need to be repaired. And here's the table. Okay, this was mounted on here on the machine, but because of the weight and everything, it broke off. This piece is good. This one needs to be replaced, as you can see. Includes a miter gauge and a saw blade, and here's your parts and instruction manual. Overall, it's in real good condition. There's no cracks in the casting or anything like that. Just needs a little TLC, and you got yourself a really nice saw. This is 115 volt, 1 horsepower.